Hey everyone, and welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into a super useful feature on Spotify for iPhone 16 users. If you've ever wanted to listen to music or podcasts without your friends seeing what you're up to, you're in the right place. We'll be showing you exactly how to enable Spotify's private session. Let's get started. First things first, make sure you have the Spotify app installed on your iPhone and that you're logged into your account. If you're not already logged in, go ahead and enter your credentials. Once you're on the main screen, we're ready to move on to the next step. Now, look for your profile icon in the top left corner of the screen. Tap on it, and you'll see a side menu slide out. This menu is your gateway to all your Spotify settings. In this side menu, scroll down until you find Settings and Privacy. Tap on it to open the Settings menu. This is where we'll find the privacy options we need. Inside the Settings menu, you'll see a list of options. Scroll down again, and you'll find Privacy and Social. Tap on that to proceed. Here, under the Listening Activity section, you'll see the Private Session option. Simply tap the toggle switch next to it to turn it on. You'll know it's enabled when the toggle turns green. And that's it. Now, your listening activity will be hidden from your followers. Remember, Private Session automatically ends after 6 hours. So, if you want to keep your listening private, you'll need to re-enable it. So, there you have it. A quick and easy way to enable Private Session on Spotify on your iPhone 16. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. If you did, please give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more tech tips and tutorial videos. Also, let me know in the comments if you have any questions, and I'll do my best to answer them. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.